Two girls eating Chick-fil-A breakfast. Trying the new peppermint coffee. You can see the red peppermint at the bottom.
I'm dying for a hash brown.
You definitely need to mix it.
It's really good.
Hash browns are
I
the
like
best.
this a lot.
This is
I'm
our
going in
first
for a
time
mini.
trying the biscuit with egg, bacon, and cheese.
I like the strawberry jam a lot.
If you haven't had minis with strawberry jam, you're missing out. I don't know how I'm gonna get the biscuit without it now.
Fun fact, I've never had a biscuit from Chick-fil-A.
That's your